Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max in. If you're trying to find where the water pump fuse is located on a hybrid or hybrid energy, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Even if you have non-hybrid version, some of you may still have a secondary electric water pump on those newer vehicles. Before we start, let me tell you that should work on that generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So, now you guys have three fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, right here. If we come, we're going to support the hood, open it, okay. This is the C-Max Hybrid Energy, guys, that we have right here. And if you look now, okay, we need to look at the engine compartment fuse box, okay. That's the one that we'll be looking. We need to open it, open on the back side, pull out, and pull that thing out, okay, like that, you can see. Now, if you look right here, guys, okay, let's go ahead and see if we can find, okay, that fuse now that we're talking about. We're talking about, let me show you, on the back side of the fuse box you have the numbers, okay, of the fuses and the relays, and if you hold it that way it will correspond to exactly what we have right here. Now we need to find fuse number 2, guys, F2. That's F2, but F2, guys, is hidden under that cap that you need to grab, okay, and pull it out, okay, just like that. Perfect. And if you look right here, that's the second fuse from left to right. This fuse right here, that's the F2 electric water pump fuse. Now, if you need to test the fuse and see how to test it, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain that. I'll put the link in the description of the video below and where you can get new cheap replacement fuses from. If you need to replace it, disconnect the car battery, okay, and then remove the two nuts and pull the fuse out. Pretty simple, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.